Welcome. Subscribe now to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Are you struggling with uneven skin tone? Well, worry no more. We've got you covered with these natural remedies. Step 1. Exfoliate regularly using a gentle scrub to remove dead skin cells and reveal a brighter complexion. Step 2. Apply lemon juice to your face. Its natural bleaching properties help lighten dark spots and even out your skin tone. Step 3. Aloe vera gel is a great natural moisturizer that can also help reduce pigmentation and promote an even skin tone. Step 4. Don't forget to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Apply sunscreen with at least SPF 30 whenever you go outside. Step 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water keeps your skin hydrated and helps maintain a healthy glow. Try these natural remedies, and say hello to a more even skin tone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Subscribe now to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks.